Woo-wee, man. So that was not easy getting this strong boy out. But now that we got him out, let's do a good video on him. Alright, y'all, so Tank here is a huge Sulcata tortoise, if you don't know, and also called the spur-thighed tortoise. These guys are dangerous, man. Like, if you keep these things in your house, they will probably go through your walls. Literally, they're super strong. Oh my gosh, their shells get super sharp. And then the males right here, oh, I'll show you guys right now. Ooh-wee. They use these to fight. Ooh. And then they also do this when they get defensive, so that nothing really can get in there to their head. And, you know, this is like an impenetrable fortress that moves around. He's literally a tank. Ooh. So Tank here, like I said, is a Sulcata tortoise. But he's only 4 years old. Get out of there. Get out of there, you cat. So like I said, Tank is a Sulcata tortoise, but he's only 4 years old. So these guys live up to 80 years, even longer. He's got a lot of growing to do. And to be 4 years old, he's already massive. Most 4-year-olds I see are literally like this big. They start out literally this big, super cute pet, and then they just get bigger and bigger and bigger. And the more you feed them, the more they grow. And Tank is obviously a well-fed specimen. Literally, I haven't seen a 4-year-old this big ever, so he's huge. And man, this dude is just amazing. So he's probably the biggest 4-year-old Sulcata I've ever seen, and I've seen a couple of Sulcatas, so he's very well fed, man. And most Sulcatas that we do see in captivity aren't kept well, so either lack of proper lighting, improper diet, a lot of things can lead to them staying smaller, not reaching their full growth potential, and having terrible pyramiding. So tortoise in general need certain type of lighting and certain type of diet for them. And when you give them the right diet and lighting, their shell is perfectly round. And when you give them improper lighting and improper diet, that's when it just goes downhill. You can see tortoise that get really big pyramids. It's crazy, man. Whew. What's up with you? So Tank is massive. Our other tortoise are, I think, 12 and 13, something like that. He's only 4 years old, and he's like 3 times bigger than them. And that's because Sulcatas are the largest, Sulcatas are the largest tortoise species in Africa, the 3rd largest tortoise in the world. So this guy will get really huge. And I think he's a Sudanese Sulcata, so they're the biggest type of Sulcata. They get even bigger. Kane, what up, boy? As you can see, let's go try if we can feed him. Tank is really not warmed up to me. He might come out for this, he might not. But he's really more aggressive with me, but his aggressive compared to Chico is way, way less. You want a piece? Way, way less than Chico's. Chico is literally trying to kill you. So. Another crazy fact about this guy. Oh, you want it? You want it? Woo-wee. It's hot out here. Another crazy fact about Tank. We drove 6 hours total, 3 hours there and 3 hours back. To go pick him up, but we also I drove 3 hours in the wrong direction. So we looked up and we were in a whole nother state, and we drove a total of 9 hours to pick this dude up. It's crazy. So I was trying to give him some fig leaf, but these guys are full herbivores. They don't eat any other meat. Redfoot tortoises sometimes would eat dead meat, but these guys are full herbivores. They graze, they love to graze, and that's it. Grass, shrubs, lettuce, stuff like that. Ooh. Tank is also really territorial with other tortoises. He saw a male redfoot tortoise and literally ripped through the greenhouse to get to him, but I picked him up before he got to the dude. And yeah, Tank, he don't play. This is his territory only. Him and the animals. Any other tortoise? Oh, shit.